So hey guys, this is the part 2 of reviewing the Tel-S operating system that I just made. So we have done till the operator tool command, okay? Operator tool reset command, it's completed successfully, we have fully read about this command. Now next command is WSM. Guys, from this command you can do multiple things, like you can get access point IP. Okay, access point mode IP. You can also get STA mode IP. Okay, from disconnect, it will disconnect from the network. Reconnect, it will reconnect to the network. And version, it will show this tools version. Scan, let me show you by scanning networks. WSM scan. So here we go. We got the all the networks. WSM, you can change multiple things. If I'll show you guys, the video will be so long. All right, WSM change, you can change so many things. Okay, after that WSM, let's go to command DNS. Okay, so from DNS you can get MDNS name. All right, now you'll ask, what is MDNS name? So guys, MDNS name is a thing like from which you can access the local page of this thing with this IP, like CISW DNS, sorry, CISW DNS dot local home HTTP लगाना है, and from this IP you can just access it. And from change, you can change this MDNS name. From version, it will show MDNS tool name version, sorry. From BBS lock, it will lock its ESP32's bootloader and it will never boot again. Alright, IO tool is a pretty good tool. From IO tool, guys, like help command. From this IO tool config, let me show you. IO tool config manual check HWDL. This will blink your inbuilt LED of your ESP32 board multiple times to check it. Alright, so after getting the config, now it's your tool get ADC in. You can get pin names by these command. It's not working, I don't know why. So you can set pin status also, like pin 1 on. It will turn on like no. Alright, I did some wrong thing. Pin 1 on. Now you'll ask, what are this pin 1? So is this pin 1, like there are multiple GPIO set in this operating system to get input output from. So there are 19 pins. So these are here in the code. Pin 1 is default LED to pin 1935. Alright. So here IO tool set pin 1 default LED off. Okay, now after getting it, the review of this thing, now let's go to another command. After IO tool, it's boot. You can change boot modes with it. I don't want to change right now, so I'm not gonna review it. You can just change it easily. Boot config, like you can do anything. Right. So now what is this CHP? Yes, this is the main command, like it's kind of inbuilt admin tool. Alright. It's so much like a big thing. I'm gonna do CHP boot. Now you can go to BIOS. Now we are in BIOS mode. Inbuilt BIOS. Previous boot reason, you can see, you can change EEPROM address, you can get date and time, boot priority order. Oh, I don't know what happened. Let me just reboot it. Okay. Alright, successfully booted. Alright. Yeah, from that chp command you can do this. I showed you. Right. Now if you will write this command chp boot re, it will reboot the system. Now chp view like shell core id, like it will show you the core id in which this currently this shell is running. So let's see, shell runs on core 1. Okay, so now from chp hold you can hold this system forever. So sw version, it will give you the software version. Okay, now chp mount SDO, you can just mount the SD card from it. If it doesn't work, don't know what to do. So now you can enter chp mount flash O. Okay, फ्लैश लोकल सेल में नहीं हो पाई तो guys ये reboot हो गया. So it was not able to like just mount, so it rebooted because it is the main part now. Okay, so guys now what we're gonna do, I forgot to tell you one main thing. Sorry guys, sorry. You, before using any command of this operating system, first time you have to execute this command, right? chp mount system r. So guys this will like kind of in first time run up inbuilt. All right, first time run preparation system inbuilt. So it will start. Okay, you have to give confirmation, write cont or write like uh, esc to do nothing. Now it will mount everything. Okay, so finally we have done. So now it will reboot. All right, so guys it's a pretty good operating system. Okay, um now let's execute another chp command. Okay, so now you can just chp list root. It will list the root directory. Okay, so okay, now chp list boot, it will list boot directory. Now we don't want to do it. chp read boot, like it will just read the boot log. Okay, you can see what it didn't read. chp read pot.log. Okay, it's not working. I don't know what happened. Now chp al underscore cpu is a pretty nice command to get cpu benchmarks. You can see this is showing benchmarks. Okay, so time it taken to do it. So guys, now the higher the this number, like it's like lesser the number, more your CPU is efficient. Okay, so it's nice. These are in milliseconds. Okay, lesser the number, more efficient your processor. If you will do it multiple times, so now it can crash also. Okay, so guys wait a second. Okay guys, here we go. It crashed. Okay, as you can see here, it crashed. Right, you can see. All right, so now this part is going to end in some time. All right, this ALP test it will do. Now let me reset it. Okay, so guys, in next part what we are just going to do is review its web server, like web UI, and some more commands. All right, like chp